G'day and welcome back to the Great Australian Sausage Crawl. If you're new here, the Great Australian Sausage Crawl is basically to get a sausage and bread from every Bunnings in Australia. This is the last video for the Victorian saga, you could call it. This is part 3 of 3. I've done all of Tasmania. We've got to go back for 2 in South Australia, and that brings our total of snags consumed to 100 out of 295 in total. Leave a comment in the comment section below which state you'd like to see next. Yeah, and without further ado, this video starts off at the gas pump. Yep, I'm gonna bring you in at the gas pump. It's all over my hands, I stink like... Very good start. The onions on top or on the bottom?
Onions should be on top.
On top?
On top.
You don't agree with Bunnings on the bottom?
I do not agree with Bunnings on the bottom. It's got to be on top. Don't tell Bunnings I said that.
Just give me 2 seconds here.
Don't get me in it. This is the social celebrity.
Alright, we're just gonna mic that sausage up, mate. Onions on top or on the bottom?
Me, preferably on the top.
On the top?
But we do the right thing, we put them on the bottom because that's what we've been instructed to do.
Yeah.
Glad you didn't put the sauce on it before you put the mic on it.
Basically, for this video, as you're seeing, I thought I'd dabble a little bit in the extrovert kind of YouTube mentality, to like go out of my way to interact with people in the public. Not a fan, didn't really like it. So as you've seen towards the end of that video, like if people approach me, that's fine, I don't really care, but I don't really fancy going out of my way to approach people and stick a sausage in their face. At the video? Why? No.
Thank you, young person. Definitely buy one if you're in town today. Otherwise, we're going to get into it. All right. Cheers.
All right, let's.
We've got it on camera.
Oh yeah, making your way through the city, but of course, yeah, fucking more fuel. Yep, fill her up.
And Facebook and Instagram, I saw people making sketches there.
Yep, I'll stop them occasionally. And be like, yo, stop filming, we talk to you. Look at the big meeting 9 to 10. We sit on set, we do 2, maybe even 3 podcasts. We shoot all day. And then he gets out, he gets the block, and then starts shooting.
Yep, and a little bit more fuel. So for the second half of this video, I actually had to get a different cameraman, and I was able to talk my father into doing it. But as you can see, his priorities are a little bit different.
Double. Back dog. If you have a look in between his legs, you can see it.
Looking good? Looking in focus? Oh, you're shaking like you got fucking Parkinson's.
Back out. Fucking cold.
It's Bunnings Mildura. You should see how you fucking look from over there.
Creepy.
So fucking weird, cunt. That's pretty warm this one. How you going over there, fucking Parkinson's?
It's not too bad.
It's like... The sausage is fucking shaking around.
I'm trying to hold it still. How was that experience?
Don't look at me, fuck. Don't look at me number. Don't look at me like a number. Is it 30? Oh yeah, 30 bucks. First day of the second last day, not off to a great start. Swan Hill, cold. Mildura, Mickey Mouse. Horsham, shithouse. Here's the thing, we're nearly finished Victoria, so that only means one thing. You gotta pump it up. So right here, you can see we're crashing the night at me Nan and Pops. Very handy indeed before we shoot off the next day.
Good, but warm, hot. Not hot, but it's warm.
Yeah, another little pee break.
Don't ask me for commitment, cause it's something I will shirk. I'm a bloke, I'm a knocker, and I really love your knockers. I'm a labourer by day, I piss up all me pay, watching footy on TV. Just feed me more VB, just pour my beer and get my smokes and go away. Or take me as I am.
The last one. 75, 75. Let's look at it. Wongers. He's burnt to a crisp. Onions on top. Your one looks better than mine, right? I might have your one instead of mine. That's a big Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been a sausage from every Bunnings in Victoria. We've knocked it out. All 75 are done. Like I said, that's now 100 out of 295, so we're chewing through them. Be sure to check out the other videos. The South Australia video, probably a good idea to leave a like on that if you haven't watched that or you haven't seen it. Basically, if that video gets 1,000 likes, I'll get a sausage tattooed on me. But basically, just in the comment section below, just leave what state you'd like to see me do next, and we might get around to doing it. Hooroo.